Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the indefinite integration by the substitution methods. Now we take some examples here. Now here integration of sin 2x dx. Question number 12, integration of sin 2x plus pi by 2 dx. Now solution. Question number 11 here, integration of sin 2x dx, putting 2x equal to t, then differentiate it with respect to t here. 2 dx by dt equal to dt by dt. This is 1, so that 2 dx equal to dt. Putting this in equation, integration of sin 2x equal to t sin t and dx equal to dt by 2, so that this is dt by 2 here. It means that 1 by 2 and integration of sin t equal to minus cos t putting the value of t here, minus cos of t equal to 2x by 2 plus c. This is integration of sin 2x dx is minus cos 2x by 2 plus integrating constant c. Now question number 12. Here integration of sin 2x plus pi by 2 here dx. Similarly, putting 2x plus pi by 2 equal to t. Now differentiate it with respect to t. This is equal to 2 dx by dt, and this differentiation is 0 equal to dt by dt. This is equal to 1 and this is 0, so that dx equal to 1 here, dt by 2 here. Now putting in this question, integration of sin 2x plus pi by 2, sin 2x plus pi by 2 and sin 2x plus pi by 2, this is equal to sin t here. In this case, this is equal to sin t and dx equal to dt by 2, so that 1 by 2 comes here, and integration of sin t dt, sin t equal to integration of this is minus cos t. It means that 1 by 2 cos of t is 2x plus pi by 2 here, plus integrating constant c. This is our answer. And here sign comes here, so that here minus 1 by 2 cos 2x plus pi by 2. Now question number 12. Question number 13. Integration of e के power 3x plus 4 dx. Similarly, putting here 3x plus 4 equal to t, so that 3 dx equal to dt. It means that dx equal to dt by 3. Now putting here integration of e के power t and dx equal to dt by 3. It means that 1 by 3 here, and integration of p के power t with respect to t is t, e के power t. It means that this is equal to 1 by 3 e के power, putting the value of t is equal to 3x plus 4 and plus integrating constant c here. Now this is our answer. Now take another example here. Now question number 14 here. Integration of 10 के power 6x dx. Here integration of 10 के power 6x dx. By the substitution method, putting 6x equal to t, so that 6 dx equal to dt. It means that dx equal to dt by 6. And putting this in the integration of 10 के power 6x, 10 के power 6x equal to t, and dx equal to dt by 6 here, 1 by 6 constant here, and integration of this, as you know that integration of a के power x dx equal to a के power x divided by log a base e. This is a formula. Apply this. 10 के power t divided by log a. Here a is 10, log 10. It means, and putting the value of t here 1 by 6, 10 के power 6x divided by here log e base e and log a, it means here 10. This is our answer. Now we take question number 15. Here 15 is integration of 1 by under root 9 minus x square dx. In this case, also we put, if we put x is equal to 3t, putting x is equal to 3t here, so that dx is equal to 3 dt. Now integration of 1 by under root 9 minus x equal to 3 3 is 9t square, and dx equal to 3 dt here. Now we take common 9 after under root, it will equal to 3 and 3 remove, so that integration of 1 by under root 1 minus t square, and this is equal to dt. As you know that sin inverse x, differentiation of sin inverse x equal to 1 by under root 1 minus x square. In the similar sense, integration of this is equal to sin inverse t, and putting the value of t, so that sin inverse t equal to x by 3 plus integrating constant c. This is the answer here. Now we take another problem. 16 here. Integration of 1 by 1 plus 4x square, 1 by 1 plus 4x square dx. In this case, if you put 2x equal to t, then here comes 1 plus t square, that is just like tan inverse. So that putting 2x equal to t, so that differentiate it with respect to t. 2 dx equal to dt. It means that dx equal to dt by 2 here. And now putting here integration of 1 by 1 plus 4x square, it means that after squaring this is 4x square equal to t square, 1 plus t square, and dx equal to dt by 2 here, so that this is equal to 1 by 2 comes here, and 1 by 1 plus x square dt, integration of this is equal to tan inverse t. Putting the value of t here, 1 by 2 tan inverse t equal to 2x plus c. This is our answer. Now number 17, integration of 1 by 1 plus b square x square dx. In this case, putting bx equal to t, so that b dx equal to dt. It means that dx equal to dt by b. Putting this in the question, integration of 1 by 1 plus bx equal to t, b square x square equal to t square, and dx equal to dt by b. This comes here 1 by b, integration of 1 by 1 plus t square dt. This is the integration of this is tan inverse t, so that 1 by b tan inverse t, putting the value of t 1 by b tan inverse t is equal to bx plus integrating constant c here. This is answer. Now question number 18, integration of sec square 2x dx. In this case, putting 2x, that is equal to t, so that 2 dx equal to dt. It means that dx equal to dt by 2. In this case, putting integration of sec square 2x equal to sec square t, and dx equal to dt by 2. Here it means that 1 by 2 integration of sec sec square t dt. As you know that differentiation of sin x cos x minus sin x tan x sec square x, so that integration of sec square x equal to tan x 1 by 2 integration of sec square x equal to tan x. It means that 1 by 2 tan t here, tan, putting the value of t is equal to 2x plus integrating constant c here. Now question number 19. Integration of sin cube x cos x dx here. In this case, putting sin x equal to t, so that differentiating it with respect to t, here sin x cos x dx equal to dt here. Now dx, putting in this case integration of sin x equal to t, so that t के पावर 3 घात 3 and cos x dx equal to dt, and integration of this is equal to t के पावर 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1. This is equal to t, putting the value of t also here, t equal to sin t, so that sin x के पावर 314 divided by 4 plus integrating constant c here. This is answer. Now question number 20. Integration of 4x square sin power 4x dx, 4x square 4x cube here, and sin के पावर 4 x dx. Now here question number 20. Integration of 4x cube sin x के पावर 4 dx, 4x cube sin x के पावर 4 dx, putting x के पावर 4 equal to t, so that 4x cube dx equal to dt. Now 4x cube dx equal to dt and x के पावर 4 equal to t, so this is equal to integration of sin t, sin x के पावर 4 equal to t sin t, and 4x cube dx equal to dt, 4x cube dx equal to dt, 4x cube equal to dt. Now integration of sin x equal to minus cos t, and putting the value of t equal to x के पावर 4 cos x के पावर 4 cos x के पावर 4 plus integrating constant c. This is our answer. Now we take another example here. Now question number 21 here. Integration of tan cube 2x into sec 2x dx. Solution of this. This is a 21. Integration of tan के power 3 into 2x into sec 2x dx. Now if you putting sec 2x equal to t, putting sec 2x equal to t, so that differentiation of this with respect to t here, sec 2x, sec x tan x, so that here sec 2x tan 2x, and with respect to x into 2 dx equal to dt. Now putting this, in this case, integration of here sec 2x tan 2x, sec 2x tan 2x dx equal to dt. It means that 2 comes here, dt by 2, so that in this case here tan square, in this case tan square 2x, and we arrange this tan 2x sec 2x and dx. Here it can be written as tan के power 3 2x tan x and tan to power 3 and sec 2x dx. Putting this tan 1 plus tan square x equal to 1 plus tan square x equal to sec square x. This is the identity, so that tan square 2x equal to sec square 2x minus 1 here. Now in place of this we can write this integration of sec square 2x minus 1, and here tan 2x sec 2x dx. Sec 2x is equal to t, so that this is equal to t square minus 1 integration of, and tan 2x sec 2x dx, tan 2x sec 2x dx equal to dt by 2, so that here dt by 2. Now 1 by 2 is a constant, comes here 1 by 2 integration of t square dt minus integration of 1 dt. Now 1 by 2 here, t square integration of this is x to the power n plus 1, so that t के power 3 divided by 3 minus here only t. Now putting the value of t, in this case 1 by 2 sec 2x के power 3 divided by 3 minus this is equal to sec 2x sec 2x plus integrating constant c. This is our answer here. Now question number 22 here. 22 here, sec integration of sec x log sec x plus tan x tan x dx. In this case, putting log sec x plus tan x is equal to t, putting log sec x plus tan x equal to t. Now differentiating this log x 1 by x, so that 1 by sec x plus tan x, and with respect to x sec x tan x plus tan x, differentiation of tan x sec square x dx equal to dt. Dx equal to dt here. Now in this case, we take the common here sec x, so that tan x plus sec x and dx equal to dt. Now putting this in our question here, integration of sec x now here question number 22 here, sec x log sec x plus tan x dx, putting in this case sec x and dx, sec x and dx equal to dt, and log sec x plus tan x equal to t, so that this is equal to integration of t dt. This is the integration of t dt, because this and this cancel. Sec dx is equal to dt, sec x dx is equal to dt, and sec x dx equal to dt here, and this is equal to t here, so that this is equal integration of this t square by 2. It means that putting the value of t here, t equal to log sec x plus tan x to the power 2 divided by 2 plus integrating constant c. As you know that we write integrating constant at last in the answer. Now question number 23 here, x to the power 7, integration of x to the power 7 divided by 1 plus x power 16. In this case, putting x to the power 8 equal to t, so that x to the power n minus 1 and 8x to power 8 minus 1 7 dx is equal to dt. X power 7 dx is equal to dt by 8. Now putting here x power 7 dx is equal to dt by 8 and 1 plus t के power 2 here, so that 1 by 8 comes here, and 1 by integration of 1 by 1 plus t square equal to tan inverse x, putting the value of t here x to the power 8 and c the integrating constant. This is answer. Now question number 24 here, sec के power 5x and tan x dx, putting sec x equal to t, so that differentiation of e with respect to t, sec x tan x dx equal to dt, and now sec x tan x dx equal to dt, and sec के power 4x sec x is equal to t, so that t के power 4 dt and differentiation of this t के power 5 plus divided by 5 and putting the value of t sec x के power 5 by 5 is plus c. Now question number 25, putting 1 plus log x is equal to t, so that log this is 0, log x 1 by x dx is equal to dt, 1 by x dx is equal to dt here and 1 by t here, so that integration of 1 by t with respect to this is a log t, putting the value of t here 1 plus log x plus c integrating constant. Now like, subscribe my videos and share with your friends. Thank you.